Building a road on a mountainside isn't just about machines, it's about reshaping the land itself. It starts with engineers carefully marking the alignment, ensuring the slope, gradient, and turning radius are just right. Once the route is finalized, bulldozers are brought in, the real workhorses that begin sculpting the terrain. Their first task is clearing the path, which often means pushing through dense vegetation, felling trees, and removing large rocks. As the dozer moves forward, trees are uprooted and set aside, sometimes dragged to safer zones for later removal. The blade is angled strategically depending on what needs to be done, whether it's cutting, pushing, or leveling. On narrow paths, accuracy matters even more, especially when working just feet away from steep drops. Operators work with incredible skill, tilting the blade to peel off layers of soil while maintaining balance on rough gradients. Every pass helps flatten the surface, slowly converting a wild, sloped mountainside into a workable roadbed. Throughout this process, the path's width is adjusted, with the dozer ensuring it meets the clearance needed for future vehicles. On particularly steep sections, machines may have to reverse and reposition repeatedly just to maintain grip and angle. Sometimes bulldozers even create temporary tracks to allow other machinery to follow and assist with deeper excavation. The process is loud, dusty, and physically intense, but every stage is essential to shaping a safe, long-lasting road. And it's not just about the machine, it's about the operator's judgment, reading the surface and adjusting on the go. Once the full stretch is carved, graders and compactors take over, but the bulldozers are what made the path real. They turn raw, unwelcoming slopes into foundations for transport, infrastructure, and connection. What other construction project would you like to know about next?